Hi, to check cellular settings on your Samsung Galaxy A34, you will need to open settings first and here select connections. After that, make sure that you can see these two tabs, mobile network and service provider, and firstly take a look at the service provider. In my case, it is Vodafone, so everything is alright, and we can go in the mobile networks. So sometimes data roaming can be enabled by default, and if you have an unlimited tariff, you can leave it enabled, but I just disable it. In the network mode, you can switch to the 4G internet, so you can disable 5G, but you can also leave 5G enabled. Now in the access point names, make sure that you can see these two tabs, Internet and MMS, and in the network operator you can disable to select automatically, and after that you would need to select network operator manually within a couple of seconds. And yes, here it is, Vodafone, so I'm gonna tap it to select, and this is how it looks now. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.